Welcome back. Today, I'm excited to share a simple yet powerful to-do app built entirely with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This project is perfect for anyone looking to sharpen their coding skills while creating something practical. Let's jump right into the features. This to-do app allows you to easily add tasks to your list, mark them as completed or incomplete, and delete tasks when you're done. One of the standout features is its use of local storage, which means your tasks are saved even if you close and reopen your browser. No more worrying about losing your to-do list. Now let's add a task. You simply type your task into the input box and click the Add button. Instantly, your task appears in the list, ready for you to manage. This feature ensures you never miss anything important, making it easy to stay organized. Once you've added your tasks, tracking your progress is a breeze. Just click on the task name and it will be marked as completed. If you change your mind or realize you made a mistake, just click it again to mark it as incomplete. It's that simple. This functionality keeps your workflow smooth and efficient. Now, what if you finish a task or accidentally add something you didn't mean to? No problem. Each task has a close icon next to it. Click on that icon and the task is removed from your list instantly. This keeps your to-do list clean and clutter-free, allowing you to focus on what really matters. But here's the best part. This app uses local storage. Your tasks are saved in your browser, so even if you close your browser or turn off your computer, your to-do list will still be there when you come back. It's a fantastic way to ensure you never lose track of your tasks again. And that's it. A simple, functional to-do app with all the essentials you need. If you're interested in building this yourself, check out the code in the description below. It's a great way to practice your coding skills while creating something useful.
Welcome back. Today, we're diving into creating a sleek and functional weather app using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This app will fetch real-time weather data from the Open Weather Map API and display it right on your website. Let's get started. This weather app is loaded with essential features. You'll be able to see the current temperature, weather conditions, humidity levels, and wind speed for any city you search for. And the best part? It's all powered by a free API key from Open Weather Map. The heart of our app is the search box. Just type in the name of a city, hit enter or click the search button, and watch as the app instantly pulls up the latest weather information. It's fast, efficient, and super user-friendly. Once you search for a city, the app displays key weather details on your screen. You'll see the current temperature, a brief description of the weather, humidity percentage, and wind speed, all dynamically loaded from the Open Weather Map API. Now, let's talk about the magic behind this app, the JavaScript code. With just a few lines, we can retrieve and display real-time weather data directly on your website. This is a fantastic opportunity to learn about API integration and sharpen your JavaScript skills. So, there you have it, a fully functional weather app that you can easily build with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. If you're eager to try it out yourself, the code is linked in the description below. Enjoy coding.
Welcome back. Today, we're diving into a handy random password generator built with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This tool creates strong, random passwords featuring uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, perfect for enhancing your online security. Just click the Generate button and voila, a secure password appears instantly. Need to copy it? Simply hit the copy icon next to it, and it's on your clipboard in a flash. This project is a fantastic way to sharpen your JavaScript skills while learning about functions, event listeners, and DOM manipulation. Let's get coding.
Welcome back. Today, I'm excited to show you how to build a super handy QR code generator using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This app lets you generate QR codes for text, links, or anything else you need. Let's dive right in. So, what does this QR code generator do? It takes any text or link you input and instantly converts it into a QR code. Thanks to the free QR code generator API, the QR code is generated in an image format, making it easy to save and share. To generate a QR code, simply type in your text or paste the link in the input box. Once you're done, just click the Generate button. And voila! You'll see your QR code right below the input box as an image. You can save it, share it, or print it, whatever you need. It's super convenient for quick access. We've built this app using HTML for the structure, CSS for styling, and JavaScript to bring everything to life. By connecting to the free QR code generator API, we keep it simple and efficient, without the need for complex backend code. And that's it, a quick and easy QR code generator that you can create in no time. Check out the code and the API link in the description below. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like and subscribe for more cool projects. Thanks for watching.
Welcome back. Today, I'm excited to show you how to build a simple calculator app using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This project is perfect for beginners eager to dive into JavaScript, so let's get started. We'll kick things off by designing the user interface with HTML and CSS. Picture this: buttons for numbers and operators, all styled to be clean and user-friendly. The goal here is to make it intuitive, just like a real calculator. Once we have our layout ready, it's time to bring our calculator to life with JavaScript. We'll write some straightforward code to handle basic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Plus, we'll ensure our calculator can manage decimals and clear entries, making it fully functional. And there you have it. With just a bit of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you've created a working calculator. If you want to follow along, the full code is in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more beginner-friendly projects. Thanks for watching.